Welcome to video 10 in our Student PD series. In this video, we'll talk about monitoring your performance. So we're back in our class where the learning schedule is. And in this one, let's say that I want to see how I'm doing in the class. And I want to know different things about the class. So I'm going to get this information from the left bar over here. So one of the first things is the News tab tells me when my assignments are due. So this is another way of me keeping track. The Calendar tab also tells me when my assignments are due for my particular class. So on the main page, the Calendar tab tells me all of my classes. Remember, we had a few geography assignments that were due, one here and one here. Well, in the class page, the calendar will tell me just for one class. So that's one difference that you need to pay attention to. Okay, so if I want to see how I'm doing in a class, I would click on the Assignments tab. The Assignments tab will show me all of the assignments that I have, when it was due, okay, whether or not I turned it in, and what was my grade on it. Okay, so these different pieces of information tell me how I'm doing in my class. I can also find out how I'm doing in general from the home page. And if I go to the home page and I look at and I click on my profile, and then from there I go to enrolled, I can see how I'm doing in all my classes in a few clicks. So now I'm going to go back to this class that we were in, and we're looking at our progress. Okay? And so we said that you can look at assignments to see how you're doing and what grades you got for each one and what your total grade is. Okay, another thing that you can look at is your attendance. So when I click on the attendance, I can see that I was marked present for September 1st and 2nd, but September 3rd, I was absent. Maybe I was absent, maybe I wasn't. Okay, and so I may want to message my teacher. So I can go to the Teachers tab here, click on my teacher, and I can go ahead and send my teacher a message. Let me go back. I can click message, click on my teacher, and then select message, and then I can send a message about my absence. Greetings, so forth and so on. I send it, and then the message actually goes to my teacher. And that's my inbox clicking because I sent it to myself. So you see it goes there directly. Okay, so these are some of the features that you can use to monitor how your grades are, to monitor how you're moving in the class in terms of keeping pace, and also contacting your teacher.